Hi, in this video, we're gonna see about a new type of action cam. Not just any action cam, but from a brand that revolutionized the action cam industry. Let's get into the video. Generally, we have come across action cams in only one form factor, a small, chunky, rectangular block. But what if I say I know an action cam that is small, light, and is half the length of your index finger? Meet the Insta360 Go 2, an action cam that is actually half the length of your index finger, but nothing less than your regular action cams. Action cams were generally targeted towards people who are into action, but nowadays they have become a bit mainstream. Insta360 Go 2 is particularly interesting in my opinion, not only because of its size, but the way you interact with it. Let's see the ad of Insta360 Go 2 and we will discuss more on its features. First thing they show here is the various ways in which you can magnetically mount this cam. Then they are showing the overall quality of the videos that you could get out of this little guy. And then they flaunt about their 6-axis stabilization, which is really impressive for such a tiny device. They call it flow state. And then comes my favorite feature, horizon lock. You can find this feature in the latest GoPro Hero 9, which locks the horizon so that your video doesn't rotate, even if you do. And then they show the immersive underwater capabilities of this cam. This one is my favorite, and you can see how easily we can mount this thing almost anywhere and everywhere. How cool is that? It gets its own stand that you can make use of for those beautiful time lapse and also for those selfie videos. The charging case acts as a remote and it has a mini screen on it with basic info, which is okay if you ask me. And then we have slow-mo up to 120 FPS. Okay, so who's it for? At $299 I would say it's for everyone. No matter whether this is your first action cam or it's your second or third. This is not only for those who do motor vlogging, but mainly for those who love to travel and also to those who has action filled in you. Would you buy this one? Please let me know in the comment section. And see you all in the next one.